Aacess Equipment presents battery-operated die transfer trackless trolley. It's a completely customized trolley with 5 operating modes. Mode 1. The forward wheels turn towards 35° right or 35° left. Mode 2. The rear wheels turn towards 35° right or 35° left. Mode 3. The trolleys completely moves towards 90° right or 90° left. Mode 4. The platforms are lifted to the customized height. Mode 5. Once the job is placed on the rails, the telescopic cylinder are used to push and pull the job. The height of the lifting platform can be customized to stop at any position using a photoelectric sensor. The trolley can be operated through a radio resource control and a pendant. For further inquired call